Hello everybody, I hope you are all fine. We are back with Codito. So Codito is my alia guys. My true name is Odysseas Colas. So today I'm gonna make something very simple, and I'm not going to focus on the CSS and general the design. So let's make a filtering. We have some boxes, let's say here, with some titles. Okay, if I want the Angular, look, I can see the title, the box of Angular. Okay, if I want the React, okay, I included the node inside the title of React. Okay, so we got these two things, right? And if you want, we can put here more buttons and also more boxes. Okay, let's see all the boxes now. Angular, React. Oh, this is a filtering by buttons. It's something that I didn't find, that I can find easily in YouTube. Suppose it's something that many of you wants to see. So let's get started, guys. So I already have some things here. What I'm gonna do is this: Ctrl A, delete everything. Don't want the list. We are gonna make everything from scratch. This is the way I'm working because I want everyone to understand what we are going to do. Not like some other developers. They have already the files, and then you struggle to find out what they did in order to understand the tutorials. No, this is absolutely wrong. And two guys that I like, who makes cool tutorial, is Traversy Media, or you know him, and Coding Addict, or else John Smilga. These guys are super awesome. I like them very much because they do anything from scratch, every single word, and they make cool tutorials. So let's get started. Let's see, lists. I'm gonna delete the lists. Don't want it here because I want to make everything from scratch and not to confuse you. Single, neither list, delete, bye single. What else? Up. Okay, let's write now a class component, RCC. Cool. Hello. Cool. Let's create a file and name it data.js. Okay, export const data equal with, let's write here some data that we want to appear. First of all, we want an ID. Okay, one. Let's write a cat. It means category, but let's call it cat. Cat, let's say React. Title, call it React. Let's write desk. It means description. Don't want to write all the word desk. Okay, let's write React is a famous library which has been created by Facebook. Cool. Right. Okay, I'm gonna write only these things. Comma, double copy, 3, 4. We're gonna create 4 things. Okay, we want here a specific ID. Also here 3, 4. Let's go into 2 and right here. Let's write JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay. Java script. Cool. React. No JavaScript. JavaScript is a famous programming language. Let's write lang, which has been created now. Only this. Lang. Programming lang. Let's write here what else? Angular. 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 It's a framework. It's a framework. Has been by I suppose that has been created by Google. Don't know, don't remember. So Google. Let's write Google. Maybe I'm wrong. Don't know. What else? Let's write here React. Let's write Python, guys. Python. Desk. Or let's write again JavaScript. I'm gonna write the same things. Only the ID will be different. Cool. Control copy and just put these things and we are fine. Right. Export const that data. Okay, let's import the data now. Here. Import data from data and boom. Okay, let's create here a state. Let's write products. Let's write products. Okay, products data equal with data. Cool. Now let's lists. Product lists. Let's write product list. Oh, cool. We are gonna use prop drilling here. Don't want to mess with Connex API. Simple tutorial. Product list. Let's create a file. Yes, with a name of product list.js. Cool. Let's create a class component, or a functional component. Okay. Just we're gonna take the props. We are not going to create another state here. So product list. Let's import product list from cool. When we got the product list, and let's create a single product. Single product dot gs. Okay, RFC cool single product cool product list. Yes, let's import here. Import single product from single product cool. Let's import this component right now. Single product. Yes, suppose that this happened because it needs capital. Single product. Okay, why now does not appear? So the first word must be capital for this reason. Okay, we got the single product. Let's go to app, the single component. What we want now? Let's products. Equal with this dot state dot products. Okay, we took it as props now. Let's go to product list and just write what I'm doing, props. Good. Let's make a map here. Let's write props dot products dot map cool item. Let's return what? We want to return this component, and boom. Let's see, inspect element. Okay, warning fetch. Let's child list should be unique key. Okay, what we're gonna do, go here or here. Let's write key equal with item.id, and we can see the warning anymore. So let's go into data, and before going to data now, okay, let's pass here the item equal with item. We pass all the data with a prop way, prop drilling. We are using prop drilling. Okay, item. Instead of item, we could put just here product. Okay, product product again. Doesn't matter what you gotta do. And product. I suppose you understand. Let's write it as product again. Cool. Right. Now, let's go and go to single product and create our single product now. Okay. Let's write put a class here. Class name equal single. Let's write single, not more things. Let's put an h1, and we want to take here. Let's put props. Props dot product dot, after product we want the title. Okay, look here, data equal with, we want the title, so props dot product dot title we're gonna write. Title, and boom, we got products. Let's import now the paragraph. Let's copy this. Let's put here no title, we want the cut. Okay. Oh no, the cut. Mistake. The desk. The desk. Right, we got all things here. Right. Now let's go to app.css and just single. Okay. Now delete all this thing here. Dot single. Gonna write box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, 1 pixel. Let's write a gray. And let's write a margin 10 pixels. It seems that nothing works. I know. I forgot to import the CSS file here. Import app.css. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm not going to design it. I suppose it's nice. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Dot single, only maybe a padding inside. Yes. Padding 10 pixels, and okay, it's nice now. And maybe single product product list. Just why don't we product single products sender. Product sender, copy, upload CSS, dot, let's write a display, no, let's make it responsive, guys. Media screen, and let's write a min width, okay. Now display flex, cool, flex, wrap, okay. Let's put here a dot single. Let's write flex 00 calc. Let's put 50% minus 20 pixel. Cool. Let's see now what happened. Right. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Don't want to deal with CSS more. So let's create now. It's product list, single product, single product. Let's go here and create, guys. Let me see, single. Okay, we'll just cut it. I'm gonna import a React fragment. Fragment. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, and now here let's put some buttons. Okay, div.btns, cool, button, all, button. Let's put here React, button, Angular, cool, and finally, what's suppose I have 3 buttons, so have a React, Angular, don't remember what have. Let's see the data. I have React, and JavaScript. All React, or let's put here the button, JavaScript, cool. We got the JavaScript. Oh, I know why this happened. Oh, what did I do? Oh, sorry guys, just copy it. I don't put it inside a single product. Cut it. What I'm doing? I was wondering. In product list I want it. So okay, let's put it here. Here I write a React fragment. I don't want to mess with another div. react dot fragment. Sorry about this, guys, I can't see from the PC. I'm just creating it right now. Okay, cut all this now. Okay, and put it inside the React fragment here, and we are okay now. Yes. Let's make a little bit style. Let's go to btn, create a btns app.css .btns. Okay, let's write margin 0 auto width 100% to cover all the width. What else? Text align. Let's put in the center. Cool. Right. Go now to .btns button and just let's write a padding 5 pixel 10 pixel, and we are no, yes, it's nice. Let's give a margin 10 pixel 0. You know, let's make a space of 10 pixels here too. It's not bad. Yes, now it's better. I like it. So I'm not gonna deal more with this. Let's go now to let me see. We got the products, we got the buttons. Let's create the functionality, guys. First of all, let's go again to the buttons. So don't want to change this. Go to product list. Let's see, we got the buttons. Value equal with all rule. Put again a value. We want of the value of JavaScript here. JavaScript. Cool. Here the value of React. Put here again the value of Angular. Cool. Right. So let's go now in app.css and create the functionality of buttons. So filter button, filtering button functionality. Cool. Let's write filter btns, handle btns, handle btns. Okay, equal. Let's create a fat arrow function. We're not make an event here. We don't want the event.prevent the default because we don't have a form. So log e.target.value. Let's see what happens when we push the button. Okay, look now, if I push, nothing is gonna happen because I have to pass here there. Now guys, you can see that we use prop drillings. It's not the good way of making things. Okay, the tutorial is small, we just make the tutorial. Best way of doing this will be the context API, React hooks, or React Redux. Now let's put a handle. It's not bad prop drillings, but when you have big project, it's gonna be messy, very bad. Here we don't have problems. 100 BTNs and this dot handle BTNs. Cool. Right. Handle BTNs. Let's go now in in products and put here on click equal with props dot handle BTNs. Okay, I'm gonna copy the same thing. Okay, now we just make copy paste. There is a better way of doing it with mapping and creating some things. I'm gonna show you later. And let's push now the all. Boom, you see here, let's increase this. You can see here we push the all, the JavaScript. Okay, the JavaScript, the React, Angular, all again. So this is the way that we are gonna work. If we push the all, we are gonna see all the objects here, all the boxes. The JavaScript, we are gonna see all the JavaScript, and so on. Okay, let's go here now. We need to create the functionality. Let's create an empty. We need let's see. In order this to work, we must create also a copy of product copy. Let's name it product copy. So now we got an empty array, right? Go here, wait, let product copy, right? Let's create a variable. Now if e dot target dot value equal with all, okay, what we want the in the product copy to put this open, just wait, copy equal with this dot state dot products, okay, cool. We want, if the value here is all, we got all here. If we push, you can see here with product list, we got all. Look here, we got the value of all. It's all, really. What is gonna happen? We want to take all the initial things, the data, all the things. Else what we want, product copy equal with this dot state dot products dot filter. We want to filter. Let's write item equal. We want the item dot cat item dot cat equal with e dot target dot value. Right. If now the button that we press does not has the all, what we want? We want a filtering. Okay, we want a filter, and we want to get the item dot cat, which is equal to e dot target dot value. Look here, the cat. Item dot cat is React, for example. Here we have JavaScript. Here we have Angular, and here JavaScript again. So let's see. What else I want here? I don't have it in my PC, and I don't remember what did I do. So let's see, guys. Else product copy, yes. And of course now we want this dot set state. We want the result. Let's see. Okay, of reloading. So we want the product copy with we want to import here we want this, and this is the let that we created, the product copy. Okay, let's product copy. Cool. Now the trick is that we have to import here not the products, the real products now, but the product copy. Look here, we have to import this, so in order to work the filtering, because now we are filtering things. So product copy, and boom, and if I push, nothing happens. Okay, we see all the things now. I can see the JavaScript, I messed up somewhere, we are gonna see. You see the React, you see the Angular, you see the all. We made the filtering. Let's see what happened with the JavaScript. Go here. No, we're going to go to product list. Okay, button value JavaScript. Right, there is a mistake, but where? Go to data. Yes, I found the mistake. JavaScript I wrote here in data. Just delete all and write it again in order to not confuse. Just write JavaScript. Let's see now what happened. All, we got all. JavaScript, we got all the JavaScript. React, we got all the React. Angular, we got all the Angular now. Cool. And let's see. JavaScript, React, Angular. Title JavaScript. Okay guys, I'm back. The problem was that I was waiting 2 items here when I press JavaScript. Okay, look here. I didn't write correctly the JavaScript. I wrote JavaScript. You can see how easy it is to make a mistake. JavaScript. And let's see now. And now we are waiting 2 items. Right. Okay. Everything is okay. This is a filtering. Now I'm gonna show you another more cool way of breaking buttons. Okay, this is a static way of breaking buttons. I'm gonna create here. Okay. BTNs. Let's put an array. Put all JavaScript, React, Angular, what else? All. Again I made mistake. Damn it! What happened? JavaScript. Okay, cool. Right. Yes. BTNs. Let's write here BTNs equal this dot state dot BTNs. Cool. Go here in product list. Okay. Right below. Let's write props.btns.map. Cool. btn equal with btn btn. Okay, let's write a return div come on div oh, you know, yes, we need it. Let's write btns class name equal btns. Cool. Here we need copy one of these. Control copy, paste it here. Oh, now let's write what? Here we need the btn told you. And we need here the btn, and here we are. Of course we need here let's delete it, guys. Okay, we got JavaScript, all JavaScript. What else? I need a key here because I haven't put an ID now. I haven't put an ID. Let's make something else. Put here this btn, create an index, and just put here button a key equal with index. And okay, let's see, all, boom, everything works. Look, this is the static okay, here is the static way, and here the dynamic way. Cool. Just comment it and look. Right, now we go the better way, the dynamic. Right. Cool. So guys, this is the contact form, what I'm telling. This is the filter items. Now, for everyone who wants to see the default things here when we start, you have to do, look here. You have to put the, you have to go here and just put the data again. This is the way it works, guys. You have to create a copy again. All JavaScript, React, Angular, all, let's see it here, JavaScript, React, Angular, all JavaScript, React, Angular. Let's reload, we can see all now JavaScript, React. Okay guys, that was the tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and of course push the thumb. That was, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.